Hi, this is Jessica with Dining Traveler, and welcome to the Dining Traveler cooking series where we make dishes from our favorite destinations at home. And today we're headed to one of my favorite food destinations, Peru. And we're gonna make ceviche, which is raw fish cured in lime. And I know it sounds a little bit intimidating, but once you get a hang of it, I guarantee you're gonna be making this all the time. So let's get started. The first step is to make the marinade, and I want to talk about the key ingredient, which is ají amarillo, which is a yellow orangish pepper that is used in traditional Peruvian cooking. I bought mine at the frozen section of the Latin supermarket. If you can't find it, you can also use ají amarillo paste, and you can even order that online. The next ingredient is a little bit of celery, and this is a tip that I learned from my Peruvian friend Jimmy, who's the one that got me into Peruvian cuisine. It just adds a little bit of flavor to the dish, some more freshness. And then we have some freshly squeezed lime juice. And this is a step that you cannot skip. You really need that fresh lime juice to make your best ceviche. So we're gonna add all the ingredients into the blender and we're gonna mix it for a few minutes until it's nice and smooth. Then we're gonna pour it into a bowl and set aside. Now we're gonna go ahead and prepare the fish. I have 2 pieces of fresh dorado. You can use any type of firm white fish like bar, sea bass. The key is the freshness. Make sure you buy it the day of. Again, we're making ceviche with raw fish, so get the best ingredients possible. So now we're gonna add the fish to marinate along with the minced garlic, and we're gonna let that cure for 5 minutes. Make sure you set your timer because if you keep it in too long, it will over cure and compromise the taste. While the fish is curing, I want to talk a little bit about the garnishes that come along with the ceviche because I feel that they have as much value as the ceviche itself. Peru is such a beautiful, vibrant, colorful country, and I think that these garnishes reflect that as well. So we have cilantro, we have some boiled sweet potato that we cut into rounds. Choclo. Choclo is a Peruvian big kernel corn. It is very common in Peruvian cuisine. I found mine at the freezer aisle of the Latin supermarket. If you can't find it, that's fine too. You can just use regular corn on the cob. We have cancha. Cancha is dried corn that has been fried and add a little bit of salt. You actually see this a lot in Peruvian restaurants as a little snack. This you can find at Latin supermarkets and you can even order these online. And finally, we have some red onion. And what I like to do with my red onion is cut it into thin rounds and soak it in cold water for around 15 minutes so we can get that bitterness aside. So the last part that we're gonna do once the fish is cured is add a little sprinkle of salt. Now the ceviche is done and we're gonna plate it. So we're gonna scoop it out with a slotted spoon to get some of that marinade out. Then we're gonna add some camote, sweet potato on the side, the choclo, and the cancha. We're gonna top the ceviche with some red onion, cilantro, and if you want a little extra spice, we can cut some pieces of ají amarillo and add them on top. And this is how we make ceviche at Casa Dining Traveler. It's nice, colorful, fragrant, and of course, you know my favorite part, to try. Take me back to Peru. I love the flavors of the lime, the ají amarillo, the garlic. It's delicious. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any feedback, questions, please add them to the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Adios. Bye.